Welcome to our Excel training. With the group by formula that we started using in Microsoft Excel 365, we can now easily group the data in a range we choose and get their totals, averages, or median values. For example, let's get the title of the department list we have from here and paste it here. Then, let's define our ranges here with the group by formula. Let's group the data here and get their totals here. Let's keep the range wide by using the term range formula together with the group by and perform the operation from here. First, I write equals, and after using the group by formula, I scan the department range down to the bottom. Look like this. Let's scan it shorter like this. Let me bring it up to here. Semicolon. Where are my values? We should scan the values here with the same width, friends. I brought it here. Semicolon. Which formula will I use? I will use the present formula. I close the parenthesis. When I press enter, look, it grouped the data here and brought it to us. But since we selected the range wide, if you notice, we also came across the zero value here. Now let's write a new data here. Look, it's like this. Let me do something special. I came here and entered a number. It gave an error because I did not enter a number. Look, the values are like this. Okay, let's remove the spaces here and now the zero feature here by using the trim range formula. For this, look, we come into the formula like this. And at the beginning of the formulas here, we write trim range here directly. Let's go to the end and close the parenthesis. Similarly, let's say trim range again. And similarly, let's close the parenthesis here. When you press enter, you will see that the space below will be deleted and the zero value will not come. Similarly, look here again. Let's do it here, over there. Pay attention, he made a mistake. Why? I entered the data here, I need to enter a number here too. When I entered a number like this, look, we also hid the zeros at the bottom. Now let's do it again. Let's do the same thing for the regions. Let's take our title and paste it here, and similarly, it is equal. We are using the group by formula. Where will we get the data? Let's pull it down from here again, for example, to 80. Semicolon. Similarly, where are we going to add? We have to pull this range up to 80 in the same way. Semicolon again. Which formula will I use? I will get the total. I closed the parenthesis when I pressed enter. Look, it came, pay attention. Zeros came here too. Now let's use the trim range formula here too, after coming here to the beginning of the values here. Let's write trim range. And let's close the parenthesis like this and do a test here. Can we use the trim range formula by putting a dot here? Look, as you can see, we have made an interesting and new use of the trim range without using any formula. There is no need for this again. Look at this again, I'm deleting it. I pressed enter. It gave an error. The range is not equal. When you put a dot in front of this and press enter, it looks like you use the trim range formula below. Look, we are doing the same process. Friends, here the trim range logic we used here is the same as the logic we used here. In one we only wrote the formula, and in the other we only used a dot and wanted the formula to clean the wide space below here. A very nice, very new use. You can easily create similar examples in your own tables in the 365 versions of Excel.